Amit ulta cheyappa. Push inner inside. Abdomen. PSS please. Get some regular PSS beaker. Okay. You get. Don't debate like that. You must support the person who is doing the surgery. Huh? Oh, freezed already?
Yes, sir.
My God. No. Then you keep it somewhere in the height. Let it melt. Get me another beaker, no? As it becomes dry, this will go up. Right? See, now this becomes useless. Because the chemical is here, is the liver. Now this is small intestine. You are pushing it aside. Right? And this is seminal vesicles. Give way for others. You go back one batch and give others option. Now, see, this is the cecum. You have to identify the ileum now. Right? So locate the large intestine and small intestine. That gives the answer. See, this too many foldings are there, na? This is the ileum. Okay, see this too many foldings, right? So this is the ileum, and the other one will be the large intestine. And large intestine will also have larger contents and dried contents, and it will be easier. So now here, let's say you have to leave around 4 to 5 centimeters minimum of it, and then go for cut. You have to use smaller scissor actually. Henceforth, once you hand the tissue, right? Now, this peritoneal, not peritoneum. What is this? Mesentery. There is one more name. That should be separated. If you tear it, it will come off very easily. Now, actually, you should put a knot first
Anterior.
to identify which is cecal end and the other end. Get me the scissor, this one, needle and thread. It is on my table. This length is enough. Get now? Right. Okay. Actually, you should you should not close the exit, right? So I'm just going to make it a marginal. See, the tissue is getting dried because it has been exposed to atmosphere. Now, any one of you can pour some PSS onto this. Pour all over. All over. Enough. Right. Alright. It should have been cold actually. Right. So now we can take 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter for individual experiment. Right. You have to identify which is the cecal end, which is the gastric end, and the cecal end should go to the bottom, and gastric end should go to the top one. Fulcrum, you should tie it. Okay. So that's it. Now this is ready. Go to the still one end and allow the other end to go out. Hold one end. I'll do it.
Sir, it is here.
It will come up on its own. Right? So now, let this be like this, and now you put one small knot here, indicating that is the top end. Wait, come here. Not there. Leave. I think you're not understanding.
Here, no?
Wait, I'll show it. Like this, right? This will confirm always that this end is gastric end, because we are going to cut on the other end. You can tighten it now. Is good? That was good.
No, sir, this is better.
Right? Right. Now this will be cut open. Give me the small scissors. Right. So now each one of you can take one piece. Right. So now you keep this as such. Right. And take this as such. Thrown out. This thread is not good. Until you will be sent, you will not learn. No? I am not asking which is famous language. Put the knot in the same way. Right, see, like this a loose knot should be there. First one loose knot, little more, enough, and you should go for the next knot, tight.
Syringe, needle, 1 number syringe. Ready go. టేబుల్ పైన చూడు.
Nothing is in What, Pandit? Right. So now right. So one end has been, the cecal end has been tied to the tissue holder, and the other end is tied to a long thread which is ready to be tied to the liver. Where is the saline? Yes, yes. Stop.
Actual Corina. 1 ml syringe with needle ready.
Done it. Just tighten this. Hey, silence. With the help of the plasticine, you can tie the thread the quantity of plasticine required is very small. What has been put here is larger, and the tightness of the thread can be altered by rotating the plasticine. Remove the excess length of the thread. And once the thread tears off the plasticine, then again you can combine it. Now the tissue is ready. If you want, you can put 1 gram of weight for the relaxation purpose. Right? So you can get one thread with 1 gram plasticine, which you can tie it up here. Oh, that is not ready, eh? Right, if you feel the length is, the thread is loose, rotate the plasticine and tighten it up. This length tissue, now it will keep increasing. The length will keep Here you know the complete scenario, so when it zooms you will not have a problem, but when you watch it only this piece, you will not feel that comfortable.